My name is Detective Sue Cormier, and I'm with the Pawtucket Police Department in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. In 2018, I started a project that would help showcase all of the unsolved homicide cases and missing persons cases throughout the state. I sent a letter to every police department asking them to submit their cases to me, which would be a photograph of the victim and a brief synopsis of what happened. With that, I put together a deck of 52 playing cards of the unsolved cases and missing persons, and we had those decks made and put into the prison to help generate leads and tips on these cases. We also formed a task force throughout the state to help work collectively with the detectives and the experts in the state to solve these cases. And now the next step has come, where we need to purchase a vital piece of equipment that would help us with DNA testing. That machine is called the MVAC system, which is valued at about $43,000. And while that may seem like a large amount, considering the cases that it could solve and the answers that we could give these families, it would be well worth it. The MVAC system is basically a fancy carpet cleaner type of thing where it sprays water onto a surface and has a high-powered suction wand that then sucks all of the material into a sterile bottle with sterile fluid and onto a filter. That filter is then collecting just the DNA material that's needed, and that would be submitted to the forensic scientist for testing and analyzing. It is far more crucial today to use this than the method of cotton swabbing. And for those who don't understand that, cotton swabs with sterile water would usually be used to obtain DNA off some type of surface, where the MVAC system allows us to do a much larger area and truly collect things that could not be seen with the human eye. The success rate of this machine has been truly significant. I personally have met with the owner of the company, and he was provided me with some literature and give me demonstrations with this machine. And this machine has been significant in helping many other cases, unsolved murder cases, in obtaining DNA. I know how much this machine could help my state and help these families. If we're fortunate enough to get the Why We Serve grant, that money would be used to put towards the purchase of the MVAC system to help solve these cases, to help bring some closure to these families, to seek justice for the victims, and to exonerate the innocent.